blockchain, by the name of it, is called distributed ledger technology. That's why the data has to be distributed. There are two ways of distributing data, both among banks or insurance companies in the same ecosystem, or between different kinds of companies in the same ecosystem. Like in the property valuation case, banks actually share information with property appraisers. So both the appraiser, the agency, and the bank actually holds a note of the data. In other cases, like the trade finance case, where banks are actually, 5 or 7 banks are actually sharing the purchase order information in the network. So all of them hold the data note, and then they are detecting duplicate financing with the blockchain. Consortia provide a lot of convenience because when people want to deploy blockchain in ecosystem, they need to not only sort out the technology issues, but also the governance issues, like how to know your member, how to create commercialized model that people can pool their fund together, and also how do you allow different people with different permissions to access the data. So all these has to be decided as a group, not by individual participants in the ecosystem. So by providing sandboxes, regulators are facilitating fintech innovations. But in the technology of blockchain, people are actually sharing data in B2B scenarios more than B2C scenarios. So sandbox does not really help a lot. It's the reason why they are deploying the technology slowly, because a lot of times they need to sort out the commercialization model, and also they need to find a better use case for these technologies. And after they deploy the blockchain, they also need to figure out how to integrate their legacy system with the blockchain. So these are actually slowing down the adoption rate. So just like any other technology, the leaders in the financial institutes should think about the compliance issue, because a lot of times blockchain are cross-border and touching the customer privacy information. Also, they need to think of the commercialization model. How are they going to pool the resources together in the ecosystem? They also need to think about the ongoing support of the technology, because this technology is young and it is evolving fast. So if you don't have a team with equipped with the adequate knowledge and skills, going forward you will face a lot of technical challenges. So sometimes finding a partner or building a team with that skill is important. Blockchain has already passed the hype, in my opinion, and a lot of banks and insurance companies are bringing it from proof of concept to production now. That is actually also driven by the evolution of the technology. The performance is now much higher than the past. You can also handle unstructured data, and also the governance issues are being resolved at the moment. So we are going to see more and more blockchain prototypes going to production soon.